Motho, motho, person. Batho, batho, people. Mo America, mo America, person from America. Ma America, ma America, people from America. Botswana, person from Botswana. Botswana, Botswana, people from Botswana.
In this video, we'll teach you about the origin of the Setswana language. We'll explain the usage of the prefixes mo and ba, which are usually used with person-related nouns.
Setswana is one of the Bantu languages of sub-Saharan Africa. Bantu languages share a common Bantu root that was brought by the Bantu people that migrated from the West Africa region into South Africa long ago. Specifically, Setswana is spoken in Botswana, South Africa, and Lesotho. In Botswana, Setswana is the primary language of school children ages 6 to 12, which are the grades standard 1 to standard 7. After completing standard 7, students move on to form 1 to 5, which is the American equivalent of the high school grades 9 to 12. In forms 1 to 5, most lessons are taught in English except for the lessons in Setswana classes. Setswana is broken down into dialects which are differentiated by the various regions of the country. During the pre-service training, you will be instructed in the most commonly used dialect of Setswana. Setswana and English are both official languages in Botswana, and you will encounter both of them frequently during your time here.
Now, we will start the lesson on the use of the prefixes mo and ba. The Setswana word for a single person is motho, and the Setswana word for multiple people is batho. Pluralizing person-related nouns like motho is done by changing the prefix mo into ba. This prefix change is used when using the Setswana word for a citizen of Botswana, Motswana. When referring to the many citizens of Botswana, the proper word is Batswana.